Today we have a polished brass Casablanca Delta. This ceiling fan came from the same haul that had the 3 antique white Casablanca Delta Seasons that have been videoed previously. It was those 3 and this fan that were all installed in a house together and then all came out at the same time when the house was going under a renovation. There was also a polished brass Hunter Summer Breeze in the living room, but I left that behind for obvious reasons. And like the 3 Delta Seasons, this fan came to me 100% complete. The only thing on it that you see right now that is not original is the light chain, which I added myself. The light chain originally had another Casablanca fob, but I put on a different chain just to give it more character. And also the cane blades. You might recognize these blades from my Slumber 5 polished brass Delta 2 that had the dimmable K4S. The reason I'm using that fan's blades on this fan is because this fan originally came with dark oak Beverly Hills blades with a semi-gloss to them. And let me tell you, this fan looked really ugly with rounded blades on it. So promptly took those off and put these on. And this is my first set of this particular type of shade, which I've heard is not very common. And there's the tag. Fan is from August of 1984. And we'll start off the demonstration as we usually do by showcasing the light, or lights in this case. And now we'll start the fan itself off on low. And as I mentioned in, I believe, the 3rd Delta Seasons video, since this fan is from '84, yes, it has an Astrosyn motor. But thankfully this one isn't too bad. The bearings are loose and pretty quiet, and the fan still spins nice, fast, and powerful like. Now we'll take it up to medium. And the fan is pretty well balanced with these blades. Which is always a good thing. and high. Does still have a teensy wobble. That is mostly because of the different style of mounting, though. Even with the ball and socket, this still happens a little bit. So yeah, performance is no slouch. Astrosyn motors tend to be very hit or miss. Sometimes they can be almost as good as an Emerson, other times they are just dumpster fire excuse for a motor. And there you go, a Casablanca Delta from 1984 in polished brass.